Hello AmazeTech viewers. Earlier today, popular YouTuber JerryRigEverything released a video on OnePlus 10 Pro getting broken during his durability test. Here at AmazeTech, we tried to recreate the scenario using the OnePlus 10 Pro we had in our studio. For similarity purpose, we also used the OnePlus 10 Pro Volcanic Black version. We tried very hard to break the OnePlus 10 Pro and convert it into an foldable phone as seen in JerryRigEverything video. To our surprise, we were not able to break the phone even after applying the maximum stress possible or maximum bending we can do. Yes, the phone creaks and flexes a little bit, which is common with most of the modern full-screen smartphones. So what we think is, maybe the phone used by JerryRigEverything is a defective unit, or our fingers were not strong as Jerry. In case you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe the channel for latest smartphone videos.